Muesliswap Dex. Muesliswap was the first DEX decentralized exchange to go live on Cardano. The user interface is easy to navigate, just select Markets at the top of the page and then All, and you'll see a full list of all available tokens listed on the DEX. Muesliswap does label projects as verified if the project meets certain criteria, but once again it's highly recommended you carry out your own research. Click on a token logo and this brings up lots of information such as price, market cap and recent transactions. A nice clear graph of historic price is given, as well as links to the project website and Cardano blockchain research tool Cardano Scan.